Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today what we are going to make is a simple crochet flower. I'm going to use Premier Basics. It's a worsted weight yarn. It's in color lemon, and I have some of the same brand in a light blue. And so we are going to get started. So for this, we just want to I'm going to use the yellow to make just the center of the flower. So you just put a chain on you make a magic circle and make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then we're going to go in and do a double crochet, and we're gonna go back in again and do another double crochet and yarn over again, go back into the center of the circle and make another double crochet. So we're gonna do this all the way around until we get back up here, and we should have a total of 12 double crochets, including this first chain stitch here. So I went ahead and I did 11 double crochets all the way around, and including this chain 4 that counts as a stitch, we have 12 stitches in total. So the next thing you're going to do is you're just going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 4. So you can go ahead and put it right there, but insert your hook inside, insert your hook inside and pull it through. And I like to just put another loop just at the top just to secure it better. And then with the center loop that you have, you're just gonna take this, because it looks like it has a little hole in it. So you just take that this center loop that you were working around and pull it closed. So you just pull it, and that's how you have it there. And so now we can cut this off to make it a little bit shorter. I had already snipped already. So I'm going to use the blue color that I have for the petals. So let me just sort that out here. It's all tangly. Where did we go? Where's the end? Here we are. We have a knot in it. So we're gonna take our yarn and we're gonna put a loop, get it on our hook. So we have the blue on the hook now, and grab our yarn. You can start anywhere on the circle, but I like to start where I would have left off. So I'm just going to insert my hook in there. So I'm going to insert my hook where I would have finished and where I would have started as well. And just pull through with like a slip knot to attach. And now what we're going to do to begin the petal is we're going to make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now we are going to put 4 double crochets into the same spot. So yarn over, insert your hook into the space, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to grab some yarn and pull through 2 of the loops, and you have 2 more loops on your hook, and then pull through the last 2, and you have your double crochet. So then yarn over again, go inside, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 again. You have your completed double crochet. So we're going to do 4 of these inside. So let's do those. So yarn over, pull through 2, pull through the next 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then our last one, you yarn over, go in, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through the last 2. We have 4 single crochets, 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then including the chain, we have 5. So now to complete it, we're going to make a chain of 5. A chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to go into the center, and this is the same stitch, and slip stitch. and we have formed our first petal. And so the next thing you're going to do is you are going to go into the next stitch and slip stitch, and then be going to the next one and slip stitch also. And so now we are going to do the same thing. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 4 double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have the chain at the end. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that slip stitch goes into the same stitch as well, and we have completed our second petal. And then we go into the next stitch after that, and we slip stitch, and then we slip stitch into the next stitch. And then after that second slip stitch, we're going to do our next petal, which will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to do the 4 double crochets in the same stitch, and then again the chain 4 and slip stitch and complete it. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch. So I'll just show you what it looks like so far. So this is how we are looking, and we're gonna go all the way around until we make it back to the top, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once completed. So this is what it looks like. I've finished all the way around. Let me just pull it and show you guys what it looks like. So we have 6 petals in total, and so now we are just going to, I put a slip stitch in the first chain at the bottom down here, and then pull up, and I can snip that off, and then just pull it through. And then what the next task is to just sew in all of these tails and make the flower look as neat as possible. But yes, this is our little completed flower. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below what you want to see me make next. I do have some ideas coming though, but